Hey everybody, how you doing? It's your boy from Brooklyn, Chef Shannon Ambrosio. I'm at it again, of course, here with Jimmy Diresta. What's going on? So I'm at his shop in upstate New York. I can't divulge because it's an undisclosed location, folks. I don't want you people showing up here and say, Shannon told me it was all right to come here. It's not all right. You got to check with Jimmy, you understand?
Leave the gun. Technical only.
We got some stuff going in the printing press. He's got...
See this piece of paper? Watch this.
That's a big old heavy duty machine. Turn the
1890, something like that?
1890. Yeah, late 1800s printing press. Yeah, this isn't your inkjet printer at home, I'll tell you that.
Yeah. The paper's a little damp, that's why it's not popping completely out. But this, I have it set up with a die for cutting letters.
Diresta. Know the name. Live the dream.
Yeah. Well, you can see here.
Jimmy, are you making the dies for the...
That I had made online, but here, what you see here was we got a roller. These rollers run
Right,
up
this is
and
the
down.
one you hand carved.
This is the one I hand carved. So the rollers go up here, pick up ink, come down across the plate, and you put the paper on here. I do things slightly untraditional, only because I'm just having fun. So I just spray glue my paper down on there. This machine's about 1920, 1910.
You'll see here.
And so that's, oh, that one's got a rip in it. So and that's one of the prints off of the hand cut. That's for you.
Hassan live. Inkity ankity ooh ziggity zaggity zoo ooh ooh flippity flappity floo. It's yours.
Camera.
This is my little CNC machine. So that big giant one.
Yeah.
This is my first one from that company.
That's the big one.
And
The big one's back there. This is the
the
small one.
desktop. It's 18 by 24. You can do obviously smaller parts on it. This is my first laser.
Frickin' laser beam.
This is a laser cut. This says "We Make," which is a bumper sticker I'm going to print. It's a print block, but I laser cut the background back. So the net result of this is going to be an actual printing block. This is something we're working on now. This is, I came up with this.
Yeah, that's
my buddy,
fantastic.
This Old Tony, great YouTube channel. He actually engineered it. I came up with the concept. He engineered it and cut out this one. Tony made this one, and we're having samples made right now. So we might try and do like a pre-sale. So if we could pre-sale 200 of them, then we'll make them.
You know what? This is a multi-tool in case nobody knows, right?
Yeah,
it's a multi-tool.
So anybody touches your tools,
anybody touches
you
your
fix
tools,
them.
they get the knuckle sandwich. And if not, it's good to use on the compressor to clean everything up, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
You blow their eyeballs out.
That's the old Herman Munster welding mask right there. We're trying to make sure that we are getting out there and meeting the people that are making things, creating things, engineering things, you know, because anybody can go to a store and buy something. So stay away from them big box stores. This right here, if the Tin Man from The Wizard of Oz had this,
the perfect prize that waits among the shelves. But Oz never did give nothing to the Tin Man.
and Jimmy will make every part of this, right?
Well, the head I restored.
The head
I
restored.
got from my buddy.
The head was restored. Leather sheath was made. Handle was made by Jimmy. So, you know, you can. And this right here is heavy duty.
My buddy Tracy gave me this in Kansas City. We chromed it in Kansas City. Handle was made in New York, and the leather was made in New York.
Yeah.
And then this one, I made this one up here on my plasma table. Just experimenting with like a truss design.
Yeah, yeah. Very nice. Very industrial. Extremely. It's beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. You can't get any better than this. You know, and of course, you know, this is the shop interim.
Okay, here we
Do the
go.
intro again.
I came here to see my mom. It's Mom's birthday. We're in this dark building here. This is his new church. And this is actually church. I mean, this building is gigantic. How many square foot?
This is 2,800 square feet, but it will have a second floor, so it'll be basically like close to 6,000 square feet.
6,000 square feet of creativity, folks. That's what I'm talking about right now. Don't make me get out the ice pick, because I'll have Jimmy pick you. It's going to be going down here. Listen, I can't wait to come back up here and see, you know, the progress as it goes along.
Electric is next. We got the slab in. The slab is full radiant floor heating.
Oh, nice.
We're getting electric next.
Yeah, it's on right now.
No. I wish it was.
As you could see,
We
that's
don't
where
have
the radio
doors
is.
or windows.
No doors or windows yet.
So this was, we kind of got to this point just as the hard winter kicked in. So just as they finished the slab, it was kind of touch and go that it might be too cold, but the guys told me, don't worry, everything's going to be fine. They put some kind of additive in it, and it's good. No cracks. It looks great. And electric is next. Windows, doors, and siding. Insulation.
To make the building warm.
I cannot wait till it's like 20 degrees out and I can come in here and it's like 70.
Yeah.
My chemicals aren't frozen. My paint doesn't have ice in it. It's going to be so nice.
A long way from the old shops and working downstairs in the basements, right?
The Lower East Side, I was in the basement down there for 14 years, yeah.
You heard that? The LES, folks, the LES.
With the ceiling this far above my head.
And he's put out, I mean, some of the most amazing work out of such a small shop. And now that this place is, you know, thousands of times bigger than the other place, you can only imagine the kind of work that's going to come out of here. Now, I'm always talking to people out there. Find people that are doing the things that you want to do. Find the people that inspire you and be an aspiration for somebody. And this guy right here has done it for me. If I told you how we met, that'd be another video right there. I've been following Jimmy for a really long time. The fact that he lives 15 minutes from my mom now just makes it more convenient.
Yeah.
And we grew up in the same area.
Yep. I'm from Rockaway, you're from Brooklyn.
You see what I'm saying? So things happen in strange ways. And if you really want to make them happen, you got to make them happen, right?
That's it. You just got to keep working hard.
Yep, that's what's up right there.
No dilly-dallying.
No dilly-dallying. And to my boy Mario out there who did the Budweiser commercial, dilly-dilly to you, you understand? But this is how it's going down. It's cold out here. We're going to get out of here, but I wanted to see the new building. It's absolutely amazing, Jimmy. I can't wait to see the progress here, and hopefully I'll get invited back maybe to work on something with him.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that would be tremendous, tremendous, tremendous.
Yeah, we'll do the barbecue for the opening
That's
ribbon ceremony.
Yeah, we'll do that. I'll drag the smoker up here and everything.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that'd be really, really good. We get some pit smoking in there, you know what I mean? Oh, that's what's up right there.
Smell it now. Awesome, dude. Thank you for the love. I appreciate
Thank
it.
you so much, Jimmy, for everything.
Yeah.
Make sure you tune into his YouTube channel. That's Jimmy Diresta right there. Make sure you're trying to follow mine. I'm not anywhere near with this man. I'm just starting out. But listen to me.
like you, just like anybody else.
You see,
From zero.
You got to start somewhere, and zero is the best starting place because you got nowhere to go but up. Okay? So make sure you tune into him, see Jimmy Diresta, and also make sure you tune into my YouTube channel at Shannon Ambrosio. And that's it. All right.